So let's start off by saying that the first song is called Fanny Ray. We recently shot a music video for it. It was directed by Shamak Davar, choreographed by Homi Adajania, and we had to work very, very hard. You know, I mean, I've done.
Hey, shut up, man, Deepika. Hey, she's lying. Huh? She's fully lying. Hey, Homi, where we worked harder on this film? We worked hard. We hardly worked. No? We worked?
Very hard. The hardest I've ever worked. And the most on choreography.
And we had the most amount of fun also.
That too.
Huh? You
But
guys
that-
want to see the video? You want to see the video?
I've never seen the video. I'd also like to treat you to one of the bonus tracks from the album. It's called
Shake your...
huh?
Shake your...
Don't miss the pauta.
हमने गाने का नाम नहीं रखा because she'll do this action every time you want to hear the song.
Shake your. I don't think bold is the right word. I would say different. Even for me as an audience, when I look at the promo of Finding Fanny, I think it's very different from what one has been seeing on TV, and refreshing, different. Yeah.
So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys come on 12th September to watch our bold film.
अर्जुन दीपिका here from
Different, not bold.
Yeah, different. Sorry, quirky.
मेरा सवाल आप दोनों से है।
Quirky and cool. Correct.
जी पूछिए.
सवाल ये है कि लेजेंड्स के साथ आप दोनों ने काम किया है। नसीर साहब हैं, डिम्पल जी हैं, पंकज साहब हैं। ये लोग
Thank God आपने उनका नाम ले लिया. मैं सोचा था आप होमी को लेजेंड बुला रहे एक सेकंड.
नहीं 10-20 सालों में आप लोग भी हो जाएंगे।
जी जी जी.
तो इनके साथ काम करना और स्पेशली उनके डांस की स्टाइल अगर आप दोनों बताएं कि किस तरीके का डांस एंड उनका प्रेजेंस होना सेट पे कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है प्रेजेंट।
You want to know about their dancing style and आपने अगली चीज क्या?
एंड उनका काम करने का ढंग जो होता है।
देखिए dancing style I think we were given this freewheeling ability by our director and choreographer कि जो हमारे मन में हम गाना सुन के करें तो कोई dancing style नहीं था. We all just tried to have fun. जहाँ तक काम की बात की जाए I think their work and body of work speaks for itself. They're fantastic actors. I think I speak on her behalf and Homi's that we are honored to that they agreed to be a part of this film. Yeah. They bring so much value, so much experience, and the command over the craft is tremendous. अपने काम को बहुत अच्छी तरह जानते हैं, and I think we have become better actors by just being in the same frame as all three of them. Yeah.
दीपिका कभी आपने मुर्गी पकड़ी है अपने हाथों से? मुर्गी पकड़ी है कभी मुर्गी?
Have I? Murgi.
मुर्गी पूछ रहा
Chicken.
Dummy. It was a dummy. It was a dummy that we ate for lunch. Okay. After the shot.
तो
हाय अर्जुन
दीपिका वो हाथ में आपने मुर्गी भी रखा है, उसको काटने का यंत्र भी रखा है।
मुर्गी को क्या?
मुर्गी को रखा है हाथ में, उसको काटने का भी यंत्र रखा है। तो ऑन सेट कुछ ऐसा किया लाइफ में आप खाती हैं मुर्गी चिकन?
सर अगले आधे घंटे में लंच होने वाला, मुझे लगता है आपको भूख लग रही है।
अर्जुन हाय अर्जुन एंड दीपिका दिस क्वेश्चन इज टू यू
आप वो कहाँ?
दिस साइड ऑन योर लेफ्ट
जी.
या आई जस्ट नीडेड कि एवरी पर्सन लाइक सर्चेस समथिंग इन लाइफ, लेकिन लाइफ में जैसे इसमें लाइफ है, रोमांस है, लव है, व्हाट आर यू लुकिंग आउट फ्रॉम लाइफ इन फैक्ट?
Me personally,
You yeah yourself and Deepika.
happiness.
The pursuit of happiness.
And happiness, how will you define happiness? Happiness किसमें मिलता है आपको?
हर रोज अलग रीजन होते हैं खुश होने के सर. कभी काम से खुशी मिलती है, कभी पर्सनल लाइफ से मिलती है, कभी कभी कोई किसी से मिल लो तो खुशी मिलती है. यू कैन फाइंड happiness in different ways in different places when you least expect it. So you can't describe it in आपको किससे मिलती है. हर रोज you find different experiences that give you genuine happiness.
दीपिका हेलो
तोड़ दो बस.
I think a little bit like what Arjun said, but I think when you finally find yourself and you have the confidence in yourself to just be the person that you are and you want to be, I think that gives me a lot of happiness.
दीपिका आपसे जानना चाहूंगा. दीपिका कैन यू हियर मी? चाहे चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस का मिनम्मा का किरदार हो या लीला हो, रामलीला की लीला हो, जबान पे आपकी एक बहुत अच्छी पकड़ रही है जहाँ हम लैंग्वेज की एसेंट की बात करते हैं। फैनी को निभाते वक्त गोवा की भी एक अलग जुबान है, एक अलग एसेंट, एक अलग लहजा है। ये कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा फैनी का किरदार निभाते हुए? और डू यू एग्री कि कॉकटेल से लेकर अब तक कितना ग्रो किया आपने एज एन एक्टर, और कितना योगदान मानती है आप भूमि का अपने कैरियर में?
I think as far as how much I have grown, I think you should ask someone like Homi who's worked with me in the capacity of a director. As far as the accent is concerned, it's actually something I really enjoyed with Fanny, because the film is set in Goa, and I got to speak my mother tongue in the film, which is Konkani. Goans do speak Konkani, we know that. So I got to experiment, improvise, but most importantly, it's a nice feeling when you have command over a language. Having said that, I think the first few days on set were very difficult, not just for me but for all of us. When you're an actor in a Hindi film, you're used to listening to yourself in Hindi and performing in Hindi and hearing yourself in Hindi. When you start doing the same thing in English, it just sounds different. So it takes a couple of days to get used to that. Yeah.
अर्जुन, आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, जहाँ इस तरह की फिल्म में पंकज कपूर साहब जैसे, नसीर साहब जैसे, और दीपिका को सब नंबर 1 ही मानते हैं आज की तारीख में एक्ट्रेस। आई होप यू टेक माई क्वेश्चन ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट। तो अर्जुन, आपको नहीं लगता कि डूइंग अ फाइंडिंग फैनी फिल्म लाइक फाइंडिंग फैनी इज अ रिस्क और एक्सपेरिमेंट फ्रॉम योर साइड? व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट?
I actually didn't think about it at all. I think a lot of people think that it's a risk. It was brave on my part, but I just feel like I didn't think about it so much. I went with my heart. I went with my instinct, and most importantly, trust. I trust Homi, and I remember him narrating this story to me when we were shooting Cocktail, and.
Thank you so much. The question was for Arjun Kapoor. It's okay. It's okay. I was waiting to complete. I was waiting for your answer to
I'm
get
so
completed.
sorry.
It's okay, no problem. Arjun, now it's your turn. Arjun.
नहीं, आप उनका नाम निकाल के कट कॉपी पेस्ट करके मेरा जवाब लिख।
Sir.
I didn't hear you say Arjun. I'm so sorry.
I've used Arjun.
मैं वेट कर रहा था कि सांस ले, पर नहीं।
हाँ, even I was waiting to get her completed.
नहीं, but
Arjun.
सर,
It's happened in the film also a lot of times.
हाँ, मैं बस खड़े रह गया। जैसे इन्होंने कहा, आई डिडंट लुक एट इट। देखिए, हम नाप तोल के चीजें नहीं करते थे। समथिंग कॉल्ड इम्पल्स एंड इंस्टिंक्ट दैट यू गो बाय। I was offered this film at a very interesting time in my life, and he came to me after seeing Ishaq Zada and said, I think you can play this character in this and live this world. तो मुझे वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, that the director has that vision for me at such a nascent stage in my career. तो मैंने ज़्यादा इतना सोचा नहीं, नाप तोल के चीज़ें नहीं करता हूँ मैं। मुझे मौका मिल रहा है इतने दिग्गज कलाकारों के साथ काम करने का। I'll become a better actor for it hopefully. So I did it just for the experience of it and not trying to calculate कि ये मेरा सही समय करने के लिए या मैं बाद में करना चाहिए या पहले। सब कंप्लेन करते हैं, हम लोग कुछ अलग नहीं करते। तो दुआ करता हूँ इस बार लोग कंप्लेन नहीं करेंगे और बोलेंगे अच्छा है, कुछ अलग किया हम सब ने। थैंक यू।
Homi, here. Hi, Deepika.
Yeah, Deepika.
Okay, now.
Hello, Homi.
Hello.
हेलो। Holding the mic, but
Yeah. Your mic's not working.
your mic is not working, but you're still.
How difficult was it to have Nasir sir?
Oh, it
and
was very
Pankaj
easy.
in the same film?
Very
He is
easy.
he is the director of Cocktail.
No, I couldn't
which
hear
was
the
made in
question.
Hindi,
I'm
by the
sorry.
way.
No, it was very easy. They're both thorough professionals. They have a very different approach to their acting, and they are brother-in-laws as well, brother and outlaws. But yeah, so they were just fabulous. They were fabulous in the same frame. It was a joy watching them. And since we are talking about these veterans, I must say I was extremely proud of Deepika and Arjun, considering the experience the other three have. They have gone pound for pound in this film, and I mean, they just hold their own in every scene with Nasir, Pankaj, and Dimple.
Who thought of this name, Finding Fanny?
I thought of the name Finding Fanny.
Who do you think?
Who else
मतलब
would think
who?
of it?
It could be you, Arjun.
I got cast after he thought of the name.
Yeah, because the only Fanny that you can find is actually Dimple Kapadia, considering it is 40 kilos. As a
No, I
solo
think you're thinking of it in a slightly perverse way. I never thought of it that there was another meaning for Fanny. Actually, I just felt it was a
It seems it's just me and Pankaj Kapoor who's looking
just
at Fanny
you,
the way.
Pankaj Kapoor, and Arjun. But no, Fanny is the nickname of Stephanie. I mean, if I had, if it was a film called Finding Dick, I mean, I don't think. I mean, if they were looking for a guy called Richard and they said,
almost
let's make
got away
let's make the
this-
film called Finding Dick, then you guys would have thought of it in that way. It's not like that. It's just a nickname, and maybe they'll have some issues with it in the UK and the US, but not in India and other places where we have pure thought.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Deepika,
media.
Last
We're-
question. Deepika, you're.
No, we're done with our question and answer round.